Hi, my name is Kate and I'm a Pi volunteer.
Today we're going to be talking about what is a food web. What did you eat for breakfast this morning? Eggs? Maybe toast? Pancakes? Or some cereal? Why do we eat breakfast? Well, not only is it the most important meal of the day, but mainly because it gives us the energy we need to start our day. Now, we aren't the only species that require energy to start their day. All types of animals need breakfast too. Here in Duluth, we have a big, beautiful lake full of fish that need to eat their breakfast. These are phytoplankton. They are tiny little plant-like creatures that grow in Lake Superior. The phytoplankton make their own food for energy through a process called photosynthesis. They are our self-sufficient producers of the food web. Producers make their own food and are eaten by consumers. Speaking of, these phytoplankton are zooplankton's breakfast of choice. Zooplankton are microscopic animals that live in Lake Superior. These zooplankton can't make their own food, so they eat other organisms to fulfill their energy needs. This makes zooplankton primary consumers, since they eat the producers in our food web.
Zooplankton mostly come out at night to feed and spend their days trying to avoid predators like the kai. Kai are small fish that swim around the lake in search of food. Since they themselves are not very big, they like to eat or consume lots of zooplankton. Kai are secondary consumers since they eat the primary consumers. A consumer is an organism that eats another organism to obtain energy. The top dog of Lake Superior is the Siskiwet lake trout. They hunt kai to fulfill their energy requirements.
Siskiwet are the largest fish in this food web, making them the tertiary consumer. Siskiwet are big and therefore require more food. The bigger you are, the more food you need to maintain your energy levels throughout the day. As you move up in the food web, the prey grows larger and the predators also grow larger. This is because the bigger predators need to consume more food to gain more energy. Now this is only a small glimpse into the entire food web of Lake Superior. As you can see, there are many different species of fish that live in the lake, and they all require different amounts of energy. A full food web is very complex, but there is a perfect balance of energy that is maintained throughout this underwater ecosystem.
This video was written and produced by a Pi volunteer. The Pi program is a collaboration between Minnesota Sea Grant, the Great Lakes Aquarium, and the University of Minnesota Duluth Environmental Education Program. Pi provides volunteer opportunities for college students and other interested individuals to teach lessons related to the Great Lakes to grade school-aged learners. For more information on volunteer opportunities or to schedule a Pi lesson presentation, please email pi.gla@gmail.com. Thank you for watching this video and for your interest in Pi.